Namaste everyone, and welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we will discuss the ongoings in the fashion, gems and jewelry industry. I am Swara, the world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network. I am here to share with you the current updates about the industry. Let's start with the newest and exclusive news in the Indian gems and jewelry industry. The successful second edition of Kamakhya Gold Outlook 2024, hosted by Mr. Manoj Kumar Jha, Managing Director, Kamakhya Jewels Private Limited, united industry leaders to discuss gold market trends and guide SMEs amid record high prices. Kalamandir Jewellers celebrated the grand opening of one of Mumbai's largest jewelry showrooms on 23 May 2024 with a star-studded inauguration. The showroom was inaugurated by brand ambassador Shruti Hassan and Bollywood luminaries Raveena Tandon and Sunil Shetty, adding glamour to the mesmerizing launch. The glamorous celebrity Shruti Hassan features on the latest magazine cover of Swar, the voice of jewelers. The magazine was unveiled by Shruti Hassan with Dr. Rajendra Jain, Milun Shah and Chahat Shah at the grand inauguration of Kalamandir Jewellers' newest store in Mumbai. The World Gold Council and GJC's Gems and Jewelry Banking Summit, powered by Srikunj AAI Limited, drew a significant crowd, including top industry leaders, to discuss banking opportunities for elevating the sector. Industry leaders at the GJC NextGen Global Meet will be held on 29 May 2024 at Hyatt Regency Dubai to learn from industry experts and network with leading retailers. The event will also feature international exposure and seminars. PMI by GJC is bringing together business and leisure at the Grand Hyatt Goa from 12 June to 14, 2024, featuring stunning gems and jewelry along with networking opportunities. The Hyderabad Jewelry Pearl and Gem Fair 2024 will be held from June 7 to 9 at the Hi-Tech Exhibition Center. It will feature 350 plus exhibitors, 700 plus exclusive brands, 2 lakh plus latest designs, and 8,000 plus trade buyers, showcasing the epitome of excellence. The Hyderabad International Jewelry Show 2024, South India's largest B2B jewelry exhibition, organized by United Exhibitions, will take place from June 21 to 23 at GMR Arena. The Jaipur Exhibition and Convention Center will host the Jewelers Association Show from 5 July to 7, 2024. This event will attract industry professionals and enthusiasts and showcase the latest developments from Indian and international companies. The Kerala International Jewelry Fair 2024, organized by United Exhibitions, will be held from 6 to 8 July 2024. Organized during the Onam festival, it offers networking opportunities and to stay ahead of industry trends. Surat's lab-grown diamond industry is facing deepening challenges due to oversupply and De Beers' recent 37.5% price cut on its Lightbox brand, now priced at $500 per carat. India's lab-grown diamond export sector is poised for a significant revival in FY25. With projected growth of 7 to 9%, it will reach approximately $1,500 to $1,530 million, rebounding from a 16.5% decline in FY24. Malabar Gold and Diamonds has successfully mitigated the impact of soaring gold prices by implementing automation, achieving a significant 50% reduction in costs. Gold surged to a new record high of $2,450 per ounce in Asia last week, driven by increasing optimism that the Federal Reserve will begin easing monetary policy this year and heightened geopolitical tensions. Moving on to the international gems and jewelry platform. Richmond's jewelry sales surged 6% to a record €14.24 billion in the last fiscal year, driven by strong demand in Asia Pacific, especially Hong Kong and Macau, and successful new collections. The US is reconsidering plans to impose a ban on Russian diamonds amid significant resistance from the diamond industry and key trading nations. At the 2024 Kimberley Process Intersessional Meeting hosted by the UAE, the World Diamond Council reinforced its commitment to ethical practices, transparency, and industry reform. the Natural Diamond Council, in collaboration with Okavango Diamond Company, will host the exclusive Natural Diamond Club during the JCK 2024 in Las Vegas. CIBJO will host its 2024 annual Congress in Shanghai, China, from 2nd November to 4th. Pre-Congress meetings are scheduled for 31st October and 1st November at the Shangri-La Qiantan Convention Center in Pudong. Anglo-American PLC has announced plans to demerge its diamond business, including De Beers, to create a standalone global diamond producer. The Indian fashion industry is at an all-time high. Jimmy Choo has named Princess Gauri Kumari, a member of the Jaipur royal family, as its brand ambassador for India. Tasva, the luxury wedding wear brand for men by Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited and renowned designer Tarun Tahiliani, has unveiled its inaugural mall store at Oberoi Mall in Mumbai. Rare Rabbit, a leading men's fashion brand, is set to secure 500 crore rupees in funding led by a 91 partners, with investments from Manyava's family office and Nikhil Kamath, valuing it at 2,200 crore rupees, following strong financial performance. Reliance Brands Limited announces a 60-40 joint venture with designer Anamika Khanna to develop her ready-to-wear brand. Earthy Tweens, a sustainable fashion brand, debuts on Myntra with a collection featuring baby wear, kids wear, and women's wear under the Based label. ASOS partners with Reliance Retail to tap into the booming Indian fashion market. International fashion is as beautiful as the red carpet of Cannes. Jimmy Choo has unveiled its most enchanting creation yet, the Crystal Slipper, inspired by Cinderella's iconic glass slippers but with a modern twist on the fairy tale classic. Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal reunite for Louis Vuitton's Core Values campaign, captured by renowned photographer Annie Leibovitz in the stunning Dolomites of Italy. Fendi is set to launch a fine fragrance collection on 20th June, featuring 7 distinct scents crafted by perfumers and Filippo, Fanny Ball, and Quentin Bish. The 77th Cannes Film Festival, from 14th May to 25th May, promises iconic fashion moments. Celebrities from all over the globe flaunt French Riviera glamour on the red carpet and city streets, showcasing their best attire. Indian actors and influencers made their mark at the event. That was all for today. Thank you everyone. We will see each other soon with more updates. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network, signing off. Until then, स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, शुभ रात्रि, शब खैर।